Hey guys, this is the Saigami Project. My name is Andrea Teliadoni, and this video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of this lovely XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro driving tablet. Now, the quality of the video might be slightly questionable because I'm literally filming this video from my mother's kitchen, but that also kind of proves the point that this tablet might be the perfect companion when you're on the road a lot and perfect for traveling before it's a smaller size. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all these details for the detailed review that I'm gonna do after this video. Now I'm just gonna focus on unboxing this. Alrighty, so removing the lid, and the first thing we see is actually the tablet. As you can see, this is one of their newest models. It has this red dial button, which is kind of like the trademark for the new XP Pen Artist tablets. And here we have our super slick new drawing tablet. And I can't wait to open it. Okay, for now I'm just gonna put it on the side. And let's see what else we do have here. Oh, this is neat. So apparently this tablet also comes with a stand, which is like super neat because it's always a struggle for me to find the right stand. Like right now I'm using a laptop stand for my XP Pen Artist 15.6. But it's not the perfect thing, so I'm having high hopes for this, and it's a really nice extra that we're receiving this for free with the tablet, because you know that whenever you buy a tablet you usually have to buy the stand separately, and sometimes they can be very pricey, so this is a really nice extra. Of course, it might not come with a lot of angles, but still it's really cool. I like this, and it also has this rubber thing so it won't slip, and I'm pretty sure the tablet also has the rubber in the bag because yep, yeah, it has the rubber here too, so it's probably proof against slipping. Okay, so just like with the 15.6, here we have the adapter for the US, for I don't know and the European. And once again, this is perfect if you're traveling a lot, because I do. Right now I'm in Europe, so I will need this plug in order to use it, but once I'm back in Canada, I will need this. So this is perfect that this tablet comes with all sorts of plugs, because it can be such a hassle when you're traveling and you just don't have enough of the adapters or plugs or anything. So yeah, this is a really nice extra. Here we have box coming with, I guess, the letter, the warranty card, the thank you card, and we have a nice smooth cloth to clean the tablet, and an XP Pen glove, which is probably too big for my small hands, but still, you know, it's a nice extra. And it's always good to use one of these because, you know, you can keep your tablet screen nice and clean. Quick guide. As if everyone read this, right? But still, you know, it's a really nice packaging. I actually like this. Like, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Like, you can feel the quality, and there was time and effort put into packaging this, and I like that. Here we have another box, probably for the cables, I guess. Yep, cables. So yeah, I think, yeah, this is the same as the cables of the 15.6. So we have an HDMI cable, which has a USB-C that will connect to the tablet, and it has two USB ports, one for the laptop or the PC or whatever you're using it, and the other one is for power if you're not using it. I usually have my laptop plugged in, so I only plug in this one USB, and I don't need this. But you know, in case you're using your laptop from a battery, then you might want to plug in your tablet as well. And this is a USB extension cord. And this is an HDMI extension. Oh, that's really nice. That's new. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is, but it's probably for newer laptops, or I don't know. I'm not tech savvy enough for this, but yep, this is really cool. A bunch of cables that might be super useful. And this is the new pen case. Ooh, I like this. I'm just gonna rip this out. So it says 8 pen nibs, which is great because I tend to be heavy-handed, so I will need these extra nibs. They look nice. And on the other end, ooh, look at that. Here we have the pen. And actually, you can use this stand like this. And you can use this as a pen case when you're traveling. Once again, this is perfect for traveling. Ooh, I really like this pen. Like, it has a really nice thick and rubbery grip. I love that. To be honest, I didn't really like the pen for the 15.6 tablet because it was kind of too smooth for me, kind of plasticky, and it was not too thick. So I usually just wrapped some extra rubber grips around it, but with this I won't need that because this is such a lovely feel to it. Oh my god, I really love this. And yeah, it's definitely a level up compared to the previous pens. I really love this. And yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but it's probably not focusing properly. But the pen nib is actually slimmer than the previous pen nibs, so that will come with probably more accuracy. So I'm really looking forward to testing this. I'm super excited. And of course, you know, it comes with the buttons. I usually don't use the buttons, to be honest, because I tend to hold my pen like this way. So it's usually the buttons are just in the way for me, unless I hold it like this. But yeah, you know, I know that a bunch of people are using the buttons, so that's also a really nice extra. And yeah, I love this pen. I really want to try this. So I'm just gonna wrap this unboxing video up because I'm pretty sure that that's it. Like, yeah, there's nothing else in here. So yeah, we have a tablet, we have a bunch of different adapters, we have the cables, we have the stand, which is awesome, and we have this lovely pen, and of course it's a battery-free. Of course, I can't English today. So it's a battery-free stylus. So I don't even need to charge it, I can just record a video and I'm good to go. So before I wrap up this video, just for a quick comparison, so this is my Artis 15.6 tablet, which is a 16-inch tablet, 15.6 inches, I don't know, and this is the 13.3 Pro, so you can see the size difference, although I gotta be honest, I was expecting this to be smaller. So I'm super happy that I still have a very big screen to work on, like this will be the active area for the screen that I will be able to work on, but the size difference is just perfect enough that this will fit into my laptop bag. And that's a huge difference because this bad boy doesn't fit into my bag, so it's always a hassle to travel with this because it's just slightly too big. But this is just the right size for that. And also, if we're comparing them, here's the pen. This is the 15.6 pen, and this is the newest pen. So you can probably see the difference, that this is nice, thick, has a very, very nice feeling rubber grip. And yeah, overall this has a higher quality feeling. Like, I just looking at this pen, holding it, looking at this tablet, I can absolutely tell that why this is in the pro category, because XP Pen really did level up their games with the design and how quality this feels compared to the 15.6, which is also a really good tablet. So I'm not wanting to talk badly about it because this baby has been my trustful companion for now over a year and a half, and it was awesome. So I just can't wait to try this out because I'm super excited because this already feels amazing. So I can't wait to try it out. So I'm gonna wrap up this unboxing video and I'm gonna be working with this bad boy for a few days and then I'm gonna be doing a review. So thank you very much for watching this video and stay tuned for more.